Gawk, G-A-W-K. Part of speech, verb/noun. Meaning, verb, to stare awkwardly or rudely with open-mouthed wonder. Noun, an awkward or foolish person. Sentence, verb, the tourists gawked at the magnificent architecture of the cathedral. Noun, don't be such a gawk and mind your manners. Synonyms, verb, stare, gape, ogle. Noun, klutz, oaf, simpleton. Antonym, ignore, disregard. Gazette, G-A-Z-E-T-T-E. Part of speech, noun/verb. Meaning, noun, a newspaper or official publication that contains news, announcements, and public notices. Verb, to publish or announce in a gazette. Sentence, noun, she found the job listing in the local gazette. Verb, the government gazetted the new regulations for public awareness. Synonyms, noun, newspaper, journal, bulletin. Verb, publish, announce, broadcast. Antonym, secret, confidential. Genealogy, Genealogy. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the study or tracing of family ancestry and descent, including the relationships between individuals and their ancestors. Sentence, she spent years researching her genealogy and discovered fascinating stories about her ancestors. Synonyms, family tree, lineage, ancestry. Antonym, not applicable. Generality, Generality. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a general statement or concept that lacks specific details or precision. Sentence, the speaker made several generalities about the topic without providing concrete examples. Synonyms, generalization, abstraction, vagueness. Antonyms, specificity, particularity, detail. Generate, Generate. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to produce, create, or bring into existence. Sentence, the new wind turbines generate clean energy for the entire town. Synonyms, produce, create, generate. Antonyms, consume, deplete, diminish. Generic, Generic. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, not specific to any particular brand, type, or individual, general or common. Sentence, the store brand offers a generic version of the medication at a lower cost. Synonyms, general, universal, standard. Antonyms, brand-specific, specialized, unique. Genesis, Genesis. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the beginning, origin, or creation of something. Sentence, the genesis of their friendship can be traced back to their school days. Synonyms, origin, start, beginning. Antonyms, conclusion, ending, termination. Geneality, Genility. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a friendly and cheerful disposition or personality. Sentence, his geniality made him well-liked by everyone he met. Synonyms, friendliness, affability, warmth. Antonyms, hostility, unfriendliness, coldness. Genre, Genre. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a category or type of artistic, literary, or musical composition characterized by specific features or conventions. Sentence, she enjoys reading books in the science fiction genre. Synonyms, category, type, style. Antonyms, not applicable. Genteel, Genteel. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, polite, refined, or having good manners and social status. Sentence, the genteel lady always carried herself with grace and elegance. Synonyms, refined, elegant, cultured. Antonyms, crude, uncouth, vulgar. Gentility, Gentility. Part of speech, noun. meaning polite behavior, refinement, or social superiority. Sentence: the aristocratic family prided themselves on their gentility and impeccable manners. Synonyms: politeness, refinement, civility. Antonyms: rudeness, coarseness, vulgarity.
Copyright Cogent Insights.
Gentle, GENTLE. Part of speech, adjective/verb. Meaning, adjective, kind, mild, or having a calm nature. Verb, to treat with tenderness or care. Sentence, adjective, the gentle breeze rustled the leaves on the trees. Verb, she gently caressed the baby's cheek. Synonyms, adjective, kind, mild, tender. Verb, care for, handled delicately. Antonyms, adjective, harsh, rough, cruel. Verb, rough handle, mistreat. Gentry, GENTRY. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, people of good social position and high birth or rank collectively. Sentence, the manor was filled with the local gentry for the grand ball. Synonyms, aristocracy, nobility, upper class. Antonyms, commoners, peasants, lower class. Genuflect, GENUFLECT. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to kneel or bend the knee, especially in a gesture of respect or worship. Sentence, the loyal subjects would genuflect before the king as a sign of reverence. Synonyms, kneel, bow, prostrate. Antonyms, stand, rise, rebel. Genus, GENUS. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a category or classification in biological taxonomy that ranks below a family and above a species. Sentence, the lion and tiger belong to the same genus, Panthera. Synonyms, category, classification, group. Antonyms, homogeneity, unvaried, sameness.